There's some people who just want a fresh, unbiased take on Pepe. They don't want a chilling $1, 1 cent video because that will suffice their emotions as far as what they've been putting already on this token. Well, in this video, I am willing to be that person to tell you the truth based on the experience I've gained on this token and where I think the market and Pepecoin is headed. As always, not financial advice, just my thoughts, because I'm willing to put myself on the line to educate people and to look at the charts and everything going on, tell you what the truth might look like for the next days to come. Are you ready? Just don't forget this. Exactly 7 days ago, we had Pepe Day. What do I mean, buddy? 7 days ago, it was May the 5th. That was the day when Pepecoin broke records and did the impossible. And that's something to remember because Pepe on May the 5th got everyone's attention. And it really was something spectacular, even during this tough market. 7 days ago, Bitcoin was at 28,000. 7 days ago, the market was a different story. And all of these big exchanges started to put Pepe in their portfolios. We're waiting for some, like Robinhood, Coinbase, and others. But on that day, Binance, KuCoin, Crypto.com decided to say yes to this token and move them forward. A day later, Gemini in the United States decided to do it too. By then, guess what? Sell-off were already happening. We are right now in a position where you see the following. The price of Pepecoin at 5012 from the top of 5045. Here's the deal, everyone. Have meme coins push higher when it comes to what Pepe has done? And the answer is no. Guys, going through the meme coin, most of the time you're gonna start late on them because it's the liquidity that the early people wanna delete and they wanna leave to the new up-and-comers, right? It's not easy to do what Pepe did. That's the reality. I've tried a little bit of meme coins yesterday, and the best you can do sometimes is coming late because you don't really know what's the next one, and you have to endure serious volatility, serious trading, sell-offs on you, buying this and that. People are really betting a lot of money on tokens that sometimes don't have any utility, don't have any purpose, don't have any roadmap, oftentimes don't have any website, but it's just what everyone is buying because that's how desperate we are, some of us are, in these markets. And the first thing you have to know is you have to take it easy. Meme coins give you excitement. I will consider even some shot of adrenaline. If you cannot handle that, it's going to mess up with your health and it's not going to be okay for you. Of course, I'm not medical advisor. You do what's best for you. But in a week, we were here. Not today, May 12th. It's a different story. But I will consider this for Pepe. I don't think we are really at a super bad place for this token. Just look at where we are at compared to April. In some cases, when you take a look at other tokens, and I give you names, Ben, BAM, Grumpy Cat, I've been looking at these tokens now that I have some portfolio and I'm, playing the game a little bit, getting my feet wet, right? I was late on Pepe, you know that. But the thing is, some of those, they pump like this and they crash the next day. Or just the next hour. Pepe hasn't done it because it already has established some solid holding consolidation, not only on the price, but on people. And they know it. And guess what? A lot of the times, these new tokens want to not take on Shiba Inu, not take on Dogecoin. They want to take on Pepe. And it's a difficult thing to do because obviously, it's easy to say, but do it, you require way more and even better conditions. Pepe enjoyed 2 weeks ago of a running market on green, Bitcoin and everything. So it was really a great time for Pepe to flourish. Right now, we're seeing the prices to retrace. And of course, there's a really enough supply of videos telling you Pepe is going to explode in the next couple of days. Indeed, we need to learn something. At this time, 2 3 weeks ago and 1 week ago, Pepe wasn't caring about macro conditions. No CPI, no Fed, no regulation, no inflation, no nothing. Now that it has retraced too close to the 100% retracement, as you see right here, what are we expecting? Is Pepe going to now obey macro conditions if Bitcoin rises, which Bitcoin is at 26,500, which is the level, if you watch my video yesterday of stop, which I said we're going to probably reach that level. And if we do, and if we do not reject, the price will continue going further, sending altcoins, meme coins first to the dumpster can, because people are going to be, some of them, capitulation, right? So I'm happy to see Pepe at this time, but it's still in a descending price pattern, and it's trying to find consolidation. This is in no shape or form, in my opinion, a bullish pattern where we say, you know what, finally it's gonna start going up. At this time, it's not yet. Something like what we did a couple days ago was the beginning, but we still see now some sell-off. So we still are finding something like this where we can say, okay, there you go. That we may have a breakout. And that is my opinion when it comes to what's next for this token. At this time, it's unknown. We are in price discovery. We are in what Bitcoin and the macro conditions do. It may affect this token, and there you go. This is not by any means that we're gonna be breaking all-time high by the end of, what is it, May. No, there's nothing that looks like that. But still, you're gonna see some videos that are claiming 1,100x. Look, there's only, like I've said previously, and yesterday and the day before, on the Coinbase stupid mistake of the email, and even the chief legal officer said it. And there's some images already on Twitter saying, why is Coinbase addressed on this Pepe chain? You know, they're probably buying, who knows? The best way to redeem for them will be to list Pepe. And here it goes with my comment. Sad but true, if they list Pepe, it would not be the best case scenario. That was a week ago when all the FOMO and the jump and the excitement was happening. If they list Pepe today, I think they're gonna have some issues going through this, just because some whales are already leaving, and definitely more retail investors are looking at Coinbase than other whales. In other words, this pump is mostly generated by the people who are behind all the meme coins. Everyone knows Coinbase, and from what I've seen, it does pump a lot, but I'm very inclined to see whether it's going to break the all-time high, because if it does, it will go much higher. If it doesn't, then we're only going to be playing in these Fibonacci levels. Hopefully this makes sense to you, everyone. Just my opinion on the conditions of Pepe right now. It's obviously a time to, in my opinion, hold on and have cash in hand, because if Bitcoin continues falling, the meme coins and the altcoins will continue falling too. That's just the law of the land. And I want you guys to save some money, make more money, and to get even in the best positions. I end with this. All tokens that I've seen, these new meme coins, they don't come even close to Pepe, even though they claim, because it's so easy to make a meme on Twitter, gift, image. Pepe, what it did is, it was fantastic, really spectacular. No one has come close to that on CoinMarketCap, on CoinGecko, and that's really worth applauding for Pepe. Thank you for watching, everybody. I'll see you next time, Pepecoin holders. Have a like and subscribe. Peace.